When you pull up in a $103,000 Akins Ford Expedition Covert Edition, there's only two ways to get out properly. Let me show you. First up, we have the swag out. And option two, you just step out with the championship belt on the shoulder. We're the champs, let's go. Stock number NEA 18430. And this thing is almost $103,000, y'all. But there are no apologies coming from Real Deal. It is all there. Yes, I know vehicle prices have become so outrageous to me, just like everything else in the world these days. But all we can do is continue to offer value by putting quality components and making vehicles absolutely unique to you, the great customer. So without further ado, a dark matter gray, a new color also for the Ford Expedition lineup, Covert Edition, 3-inch lifted on 22, so many upgrades, let's go. Ooh. This dark matter gray is such an intriguing color to me because from a distance it looks all black, but you come up on it close, you see a lot of dark gray metallic flake going on, and accented with a gate black like we did on our Covert package here. It really has a stealthy appearance to it, but I love the contrast and seeing all of the gray throughout the vehicle. It just has a great balance to it. Combined with our 3-inch Ready Lift SST kit and a legit wheel and tire combo with many more accessories makes this the premier Expedition Covert that we've done to date. American Force cable wheels in 22x10 plus 30 offset, did them gloss black, powder coated with a 285 55 22 Nitto Recon Grappler all-terrain tire. We didn't want to go Ridge Grappler. We wanted something that was a little more toned down, a little bit better as overall ride quality characteristics. And again, the American Forces in 22 inches, great overall ride quality on the 3-inch lifted. We've never done it before. It has that elegant premium off-road vibe to it. Lifted up. We did amp research power boards on the side. Now I want to show you quickly some side-by-side comparisons to how this thing looked in the stock form. I love showcasing side-by-shot comparisons. So dark matter, Covert Edition, amazing. Up front with all of our transformations. Here's a good before of the stock form. You've got many different variations and grille offerings. This one here is essentially how it started. So that gray, non-premium looking front grille, y'all. The blue and black Ford emblems. Again, non-premium textured gray and black components on your front lower portion there. And see also how we did a gate black on around your fog light surround, lower portion there, and body color dark matter gray on your lower valence, as well as a gate black in this upper grille portion there. Love the difference. We have these puny 18s and these basic, mundane, old-fashioned side running boards that we replaced with amp research power deployables, and of course, a 22 American Force that's so legit. I'm not knocking this vehicle in a bad way, y'all. It's just showcasing that a great vehicle can be even better. This portion, check out that gray textured, again down there, and then all this red in the tail lights, just gotta go. Nice custom tail light. Nobody's doing the full details like we do, y'all. Body color on the bar across the back portion, and Expedition in black, as well as dressing that up with body color dark matter. Also, look at that chrome upper portion all the way around the whole exterior of the vehicle. We did dark matter all the way around. So such a huge difference up front in general as far as overall first appearance, first glance. See this vehicle coming down the road, you know something is special about it. As you just saw, all those components down there, did body color and a gate black throughout. Just has a great overall feel to it that is synonymous with our Covert package. And again, the rear tail lights done up in black, reducing some of that red on the side there, really makes the vehicle have a more premiumness to it and just tones down some of that red throughout. Doing body color and black, correlating there. And now I have a special surprise after I show you this lower portion here that again was that non-premium gray, done in the dark matter gray. We have power buttons as well for up and down functionality, but we also have a dual tenant subwoofer kit out back. Replace all of your door speakers, interior speakers, mids, highs, tweeters as well, for just the optimal sound, because if you have a legit SUV, you need legit sound to go with it. This box thought process was putting this style to where you still have room to stack stuff in the back with a third row up, put the third row down if you need it, and you still have plenty of space for storage. Quite frankly, if this was a platinum, it would be 125 grand. So starting with the XLT, we were able to add more value in doing components like on the inside, like this part here being a textured gray that looks awful. This here as well, a gray color that would look awful. We did a gate black on all of our interior components, on the steering wheel and surround, upper glove box, above and around all of your side vents. Got the nice big 12-inch touchscreen there to really bring the inside to the forefront like the outside, with premiumness everywhere you look. Has leather seats from the factory, so it's ready to roll. And tucked behind nicely the upgraded speakers all the way around. Rigid rock lights for that nighttime visibility, really downcast and put a nice lighting all around the vehicle at nighttime. And obviously when your backup camera is on too, to help you maneuver safely. Pause here to see the window sticker information, as well as our Covert Edition package. As mentioned, also did a speedometer calibrator and Lumar window tint to tie it all together. It's a champion, no doubt. Dark matter gray, I am loving it. And again, y'all, I built this vehicle as if I were building this for my wife, and she saw it at the truck show where it's made its debut, and she fell in love with it. She likes it a lot. So it's got the wife's approval. So one of you all I know is gonna love it too. Come scoop it up from us right here at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. Today is the 22nd of August. Be sure to come check it out before it gets gone, and we'll do another one if you miss out on this one. We're here to serve your needs for everything from Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, but we also love Chevrolet, GMC, Toyota, Nissan, Cadillac, all the major players in the automotive industry. We can take care of customizing it for you. No apologies, Covert Edition. That's gonna truly shut the game down, y'all. I greatly appreciate all of you checking out this quick video. Until next time, hit that subscribe button. And if you're feeling generous, hit that like button as well. Turn that bell notification on so you can stay tuned to the next video, because you know we don't stop bringing you everything auto on the daily. Thanks so much, guys. Peace out.